Hi everyone, as you can see this is 2008 Innova which just came to Autorounders for type 4 modification. As you can see the condition of the vehicle is very critical. Going to replace the windshield, it's got damage. As you can see the rusting under the wheel arc, under the top. We're going to customize the interior. This is the standard interior. So we're going to customize it. You can see the condition of the roof. We're going to replace the roof. So stay tuned guys for more details. Thank you. Hi everyone. So as you can see this is Innova Type 1 2006 model. It just came to Autorounders for Type 4 modification. So in this we have replaced front bonnet, show grille, both headlights, front bumper, fog lamp, fog cover, both fender. On the side you can see we have replaced the garnish putty, the side door molding, and we have painted this whole car in a company paint booth. So guys, you can see my reflection. So guys, if you're looking for such modification, you can call us on 7666 930 930. We are based in Mumbai.
This is Dhawan here from Autorounders. I am with Kalpesh Bhai and his whole family, ma'am and Om. Kalpesh Bhai, please tell us how your experience was. Ma'am.
Yeah. This is Pallavi Pendekar, the wife of Kalpesh Pendekar. This is my son Om. We are here today because my own son twins, we are planning to buy a new car, but he don't want to change this car. That's why we are here today. The slogan of Autorounder is teamwork makes dream work. They are 100% proof that they make our son own dream come true. They are jugglers of cars. I thought he is the best one who gave my car the nice look and make my son dream come true. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's hear it from Om. Om, tell me.
Best company, and my car is my love car. I'm not is this. I'm not want the new car. I like this car
Yeah, you love your car.
so much. Thanks a lot, love.
Thank you.
Auto.
Yeah, bye bye.